Are you still dragging numbers in Excel? Stop doing that. Here are 3 easy ways to auto number in seconds. Method 1. First, type 1 and 2 in the first 2 cells. Then, select both cells and drag down from the corner to autofill the numbers. Method 2. Type number 1, then go to the Home tab, click Fill, and select Series. In the box, select Columns, set the stop value to 1000, and click OK. Method 3. This is the fastest magic formula. Just type equals sequence, open. Now press Enter, and boom! 1000 numbers are instantly generated. Follow for more Excel tips.